What if your LED can automatically glow through every color of the rainbow? Let's light up the Rainbow Fade LED. You can identify the Rainbow Fade Launchpad LED by its flower-shaped center. Unlike solid-color Launchpad LEDs, the Rainbow Fade Launchpad LED has a tiny computer built inside it. That computer automatically fades the light through different colors of the rainbow without you having to do anything extra. To turn it on, you connect it as exactly the same way as a solid-color LED. Connect the positive battery pad to the positive pad of the LED, and the negative battery pad to the negative pad of the LED to complete the circuit. And the LED does the rest on its own. You can use a Rainbow Fade Launchpad LED in the place of any solid color LED in the sketchbook. Grab your materials and let's build the circuit. You will need one Rainbow Fade Launchpad LED, one Launchpad battery, a conductive tape strip, 2 binder clips, 2 clear yellow stickers, and a pair of scissors. Turn to the template on the next page. Stick conductive tape over the blue line and the red line. Place the Rainbow Fade Launchpad LED over the footprint. Make sure the positive and negative pads of the LED match the footprint. Tape the Launchpad LED in place using clear, non-conductive tape over each pad. Place the Launchpad battery over the battery footprint. Binder clip the positive and negative pads of the battery to the page over the conductive tapes. With the LED on, flip to the next page and complete the scene with your own drawing. What is this magical spiral? Find out! Share your creation with us using hashtag Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.